My key takeaways are one of the things I've really enjoyed is in the area of being able to interpret the investment reports of the fund managers' reports. I recall when I was a very new trustee, because actually I went into the board of trustee where we had all the members who are new, and I actually happened to be the chairman of the board of trustees. I was given that responsibility. And when now we were getting the presentations of the report by the fund managers, the biggest challenge was interpretation of those reports. So I can tell you for sure that in my first meetings, I could not really be able to do a good interpretation or even ask the questions that we should be asking. And actually today, I would say is one of, when we have gone through that lesson, is when I've actually been able to understand the way we should be looking at the report, the questions I should be putting across to the fund managers to be able to ensure that the investments are being done right and the areas that they may need to rectify.